What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great weekend. In this video, I'm out in Wesley Chapel once again in a brand new community from Pulte called Vida's Way. And I'm gonna take you on a tour of 3 model homes today where they have a couple inventory homes ready in the next month or two, and you can also build from scratch. So if you like home tours, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Bryan, and I'm your Tampa Bay area real estate expert. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I'd love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. But enough talking, let's start today's tour. So this is the Medina floor plan. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2230 square feet. Obviously, this is the model home. They have some inventory quick move-in homes that'll be ready in January and February, starting at about $500,000. So let's go inside, take a look. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. So you come in the front door. Right here to the left, you're going to have your first bedroom. And the HOA fees out here, $75 a month. That includes your internet and cable. There's also going to be a pool and a gym opening up in the March timeframe. And there's a CDD fee out here of a little over $1,900 a year. All right, so let's go across the hall. Of course, this would be your 2-car garage. And this is a gas community. So you also have the gas tankless water heaters, which is nice. Bedroom number 2. And then here's going to be your laundry room, nice size laundry room. And then behind this door, you're going to have your air handler and a lot of storage. So that's really nice. This community was designed to be affordable. If you saw my other video where they had 3 floor plans under the median sales price of $470 for Wesley Chapel, you can see why. But if you're looking for a brand new community that is affordable, you get a lot for your money in Wesley Chapel, this is it. So flex room there. And then into your main living area. Love how they did the wood in the tray ceiling there. And then into your kitchen here. Once again, gas community, so love that. And then you have your pantry here. And then right over here, that's pretty cool. Is that wallpaper or tile? Oh, that's tile. Wow, that's actually pretty cool. All right, into your main suite here. You do have your pocket door leading into your bathroom. Dual vanity here. And then check out this shower. You got your 2 little windows there. Nice walk-in shower. You do have your bench in the back, nice size niche back there, your rain head shower head, and a transom window. And then right over here, it's gonna be your water closet. And then of course, right here, your linen closet, and then your walk-in closet right here. All right, let's go outside, show you this covered lanai. So then you come out here, you have your pavers. Oops, it's locked. Have your pavers, and then your covered lanai here, and then of course screened in. Oh, this is a first. You could definitely put a pool, but a little soccer fields. As you can see next door, they got a pool going in that model, but this is pretty cool. So got your turf here, a little soccer. And here is the back of this one. And once again, this is the Medina floor plan. You can see there, this is the Coral Grand. It is 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2946 square feet. And they have an inventory home that'd be ready in March. Currently listed at $602,380. So you got your front porch here. Nice stone on the front. Let's go inside, take a look. And once again, being a model home, we may run into some people, but just disregard. Have a good day. All right, coming in the front door, you have your nice open entryway. And then to the left here, you're gonna have bedroom number 1. And then your first bathroom right here. And I know I've filmed this floor plan, I believe over at Two Rivers, and I've done it before, I believe in Riverview. So I'm sure you may have seen it before. Continue down the hallway, you have your nice flex room here. And then down this hall, this would be right out to your 2-car garage. Continuing on down the hall, you're gonna have some understair storage here. And then your laundry room is at the back of the hall here. Hey guys, how's it going? All right, so let's go upstairs real fast. So for all those people that say nobody's buying houses, this community right now is busy, and this is a Friday that I'm filming this, midday. So nice big loft here. And then you have a closet here. And that's your entryway there. Got both air handlers right there, some space to store. One more bedroom over here. Nice size walk-in closet. And then one more bathroom up here. And one more bedroom. All right, let's go downstairs, take a look down here. I'm sure we're gonna run into some people because another group just came in. Okay. No, you're good. All right, down here into your living room here, then into your kitchen. So kind of similar layouts. And then obviously you can, if you build from scratch, you can choose your own finishes. You have your KitchenAid appliances here, little dining area right over here. And then your main suite. See, this is wallpaper. So I figured the other would have wallpaper, but no. Here's main bedroom. You got your pocket door leading into your bath. So same, or at least similar, if not same, bathroom layout. Okay. And then of course your water closet there, and then there is a linen closet here. And then right out here leads out to your covered lanai. So as you can see here, they're putting in an outdoor kitchen. So you can customize this in many ways. This one's gonna have a pool and spa. So I don't get yelled at, I won't cross this barrier, but you can kind of get an idea. And it is a model home anyway, so it's not standard. But once again, this is the Coral Grand. Let me know what you think about this in the comments. The last one, and the big boy, the Merlot Grand. It is a 5-bedroom, can be customized to a 4 to 5 bath, 3-car garage, 3964 square feet plus. So it just depends on how you design it. Obviously, you'd have your 3-car garage here. This model home is the way we're gonna see it with the pool is about $960,000. Currently, they don't have any inventory homes or like quick move-in homes, so you could definitely build from scratch. So if you decided not to go with a pool, you could just remove about $150,000, $160,000 if you didn't want the pool. So you come in, nice big open entryway. And then over to the left here, you're gonna have bedroom number 1. And then a linen closet here. Oh, that's not on. Could be in a model. Your first bath here. I like the brown cabinets they have in this one. Dual vanity, and then your tub and shower combo here. And then at the end of the hall here, you're gonna have another coat closet. And of course, this was a pocket door leading into here. So if you wanted to make this almost like an in-law suite, you could. Or just close that off. All right, coming on down, you have your flex room here. Okay, let's go upstairs, take a look, and then we'll come back down and finish. All right, so when you get to the top of the room here, or top of the stairs, nice big open loft area here. And then over to the left, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So a nice size bedroom, with your walk-in closet. Then bath in between. And then of course you have a linen closet right here behind the door. All right. So if you remove the pool and you didn't do all these upgrades, you could get into this one for under $8. Second story laundry. Oh, actually, this isn't the laundry room. This is just a gigantic storage room with your air handler and plenty of room for storage. Of course, you have some power in the floor. 2 spots right there. And then another. This is probably like a media room is how they have this set up with the French doors, but you could actually, use it as another bedroom. So that's why they say the 4 to 5 bedroom, where you can customize it, different ways. All right, so coming down the stairs. And I know I've done this floor plan over Riverview before too. So dining room here, and then you're gonna have some storage underneath the stairs over here. Okay. And then let's go over here, take a look at the main suite over here. So you got a little drop zone area right there, or you can decorate it how they have it. Nice size main bedroom. And then into your bath. So like the other ones, they really like this shower style. And I mean, I really like the shower style, so I don't blame them. But, and then of course your water closet there. And then your walk-in closet, as you can see, they got it from the Container Store. So gives you some ideas what you can do. All right, let's go out here, take a look at the kitchen. Nice big living room area here. And then we got around this way here, you have some more, another air handler. Here's your drop zone coming in out of the laundry room. One more suite down here on the first floor. So depending on how you want to do it, this could be 2 main bedrooms or 2 main suites on the first floor. Laundry room here. And then of course your 3-car garage out here. All right. Coming on out into your kitchen. It's pretty cool bar stools. Fridge vibrating. And then got your 2 pull-out doors here for your walk-in pantry. So that's nice to see how they have the different types of shelving in there. And then of course, your sliding glass doors out here. Open up in the middle and they collapse. I'm not gonna do it because there's a sign on it. But then this one has the pool. Nice little pool deck over here. And then this would be your sun shelf. And then of course your pool. And then you have a pool bath right out here. So I like how they got the blinds in the glass, and then a nice little pool bath out here. So once again, this is the Merlot Grand. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. All right, I hope you enjoyed today's tour. If you did, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Let me know which floor plan is your favorite. And if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I'd love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. But until next video, take care.